If you notice in the previous video, I had part of the drip tray off. As soon as I put this back on, this is what the whole machine was doing when I first got it. It was so loud, but easily addressed with just some felt tape. So my biggest gripe about this entire machine is that this hopper just does not drain the way it's supposed to. I think this is a manufacturing defect, but they won't tell you that. But clearly it's not supposed to leave product up there. And I do have another machine that's built very similarly to this that drains perfectly because it's a low point. When I first got my machine and was running the sanitizing solution through it, I noticed this drip here, and it's a pretty simple fix. You just unscrew that nut, and then I added some plumber's tape and tightened it back up, made sure that the drain was centered, and it fixed the issue without any further leaks. All right, so here are my thoughts on the machine. As far as the pros go, it's a solid and well-built machine. It's heavy, the handles are fantastic. It's all stainless steel parts. Spare parts are readily available. I've already ordered some, they arrived. It's easy to clean. The freezing time is super fast, and it's made in the USA. Customer service is always reachable. So those are all pros. So as far as my thoughts on the cons, that hopper design to me is just flawed. That entry into the freezing cylinder should be the low point. It should not leave that kind of product in the hopper. The rattles should be addressed with some additional felt tape and foam tape. Standby temperature on mine, that thermostat, I've adjusted. It will only cool to 46 degrees. It's supposed to cool to 40. A little nitpicky, there's no extra O-ring for the faceplate, but there are extra O-rings for the plunger. And then the product float, for me, I would love to be able to adjust that just a little bit. All right, looks like it's getting slushy. It's been 18 minutes. Looking good, it's pretty quick. Give it maybe, oh yeah, the compressor just kicked off, which tells me it's probably pretty close to ready. I'm gonna give it a shot here in just a second. It's a batch of sangria. All right, here you can see that I have the sign lid off. I'm actually having a custom sign made for this. You can also tell that the machine's running a lot more quietly now that I've addressed all the rattles. And here's just a side view kind of showing you around the machine. And the top lid. And then over here on the left side of the machine, the consistency adjustments were, I have not had to move it. It was actually pretty spot on when I got it. Margaritas are perfect, and they're delicious. So overall, I really love this machine. It produces a great product. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and has consistent results. I highly recommend. Feel free to drop me any questions below, and I'll do my best to answer.